It is an absolute pleasure to have you here. If you're new to this space, this is a place where I get to share free content with you. And I'm talking everything around embodiment, relationships, conscious love, intimacy. These are all areas that we're going to dive into so that you can actually experience more of these things in your life in relation to your partner, your kids, your colleagues, and ultimately yourself. So thank you for being here. In the videos and the podcasts, if there's a word, if there's a sentence, if there's a topic that stands out for you, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. And if there's a question that you have, if something comes up, if there's a theme or a topic that you'd like for me to cover, please leave it in the comments and I will do my best to get back to it as soon as possible. Thank you again for being here. It is a great pleasure for me to be able to share this work with you and with the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you.